This 2019 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 27 Res is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, air conditioning, oven, refrigerator, stovetop burner, water heater, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, TV. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.